Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I am going to be unboxing the Apple Watch SE. This particular one is a 44mm silver, and let's just get into it. Alright, as you can see here, I've got this here. Pull this little tab. It pulls that thing off here. And let me see, as far as I can tell, I've actually never opened a new Apple Watch before. So then you pull these little tab things, and the box falls apart like this. That's actually pretty cool. As you can see here, you got the little Apple Watch stuff there. I'll set that off to the side. And before we get into the watch itself, let me just see what's in here. As far as I can tell, just from this, the sport band. I'm assuming this is the secondary, the bigger one, because it comes with a small one out of the box. Yeah, this is just sort of the little accessory package slash start guide, and yet there's the band. And now let's just get into the watch itself. Yeah, this is like one of the classic Apple style. And this is the watch itself. Once again, I'll set that off to the side. This opens like any other standard Apple box. In here is the little quick start guide, how to set it up. Here's the, whatever it's called, the MagSafe, I think. I can't remember. Little charger. And finally, here's the watch itself. This is the silver 44mm once again, and actually is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I have fairly small wrists, but that's pretty big. It's pretty cool though. And I will do a review if you want me to. Just let me know in the comments if you want me to review this also. And I guess I will see you all in the next video.